The program is an improvement made further to Excel data form. Dialog is modeless while Excel data entry form is a modal dialog box. You are able to work with all Excel functions while dialog box is active. You can enter data for each column. The number of columns are unlimited while Excel data entry form is limited to maximum of 32 columns. Row selection on the dialog is in synchro with row selection in the worksheet in terms of visibility. Dialog box height is fixed so that worksheet data is visible while Excel data form cover larger area of worksheet in case of many data columns. A vertical scroll bar is added to scroll data column up and down. Open Program Workbook Data and try form beyond Excel.xlsm and copy your data from another worksheet and paste it to the program workbook. Switch heading style to R1C1 to view column number in numeric type. To do so, go to File on the ribbon. Options. Select Formulas on Excel option panel. Go to Working with Formulas, check for R1C1 reference style. Data table we refer to for discussion has 61 columns, far more than 32 columns of Excel's limit. Go to a custom tab, Think Smart on the ribbon and press an icon Data Form. The program is featured with two vertical scroll bar. Inner scroll bar is to find a column in a selected row by scrolling up and down. The outer scroll bar is to find a row. Find a row by navigating. Do one or more of the following. To move through rows one at a time, use the scroll bar arrows in the data form. To move through 10 rows at a time, click the scroll bar in the area between the arrows. To move to the next row in the range or table, click Find Next. To move to the previous row in the range or table, click Find Previous. In contrast with Excel data entry form, the row you find on the user form is highlighted in synchro on the worksheet. Add a new row of data. In the data form, click New. Worksheet is scrolled to a row below bottom row of current data table. In the data form that appears, type the data for the new row in the fields provided. To move to the next field in the row, press Tab. To move to the previous field, press Shift plus Tab. After you have finished typing data, press the button New again to save your changes and add the row to the bottom of the range or table. Find the row that you want to change. Change the data in the row. To move to the next field in the row, press Tab. To move to the previous field, press Shift plus Tab. Change is made on the worksheet instantaneously. You can undo any changes by clicking Restore in the data form. Any data that you have typed in the fields is discarded. In the data form, find the row that you want to delete. Click Delete. Find a row by entering search criteria. Click Criteria, and then enter the comparison criteria in the data form. All items that begin with the comparison criteria are filtered. Press Find Previous button to find above and press Find Next button to find below. Custom data form is modeless. While the dialog is active, you can do work with Excel. This is another difference from Excel data entry form. To close the data form and return to the worksheet, click Close in the data form. Excel program consists of one user form, two standard modules and one class module. This program is intended to emulate all Excel data form functions, as a starting point, and include algorithms to improve the followings. Dialog is modeless so that you can work with all Excel functions while dialog box is active. The number of columns are unlimited with dynamic user form control design in conjunction with class module. Row selection on the dialog is highlighted in the worksheet. Dialog box height is fixed to offer better visibility of worksheet data. You can download the program file and can have your time to review and customize further for your use.